Hello, hello, hello! I'm Hamid Reza, and today we're going to practice numbers. 10 fun questions. But first, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start! How do we say this number? How do we say this? A. 53.8. B. 0538. C. 538. D. 0538. Remember, phone numbers, digit by digit. So in this question, how do we say this? The correct answer is B. 0538. You got that right? No? It's okay. Let's do the next one. Which is correct? Which is correct? A. 40. B. 14. C. 14T. D. 40-teen. Teen or T? Which one? We say 14 with stress on teen, 14, but we say 40 with stress on 4, 40. So in this question we ask, which is correct? The correct answer is B, 14. This was easy, right? No? Let's go for the next one. Where do we put a comma? Where is the comma? A, B, C, D. Big numbers need commas. Remember, we add commas every 3 digits from the right. For example, 3 million. So in this question we asked, where is the comma? The correct answer is B. Easy. I did it. Which is correct? Which is correct? A. 2.50. B. $2.50. C. 2.50. D. 52. Don't say prices like math. For example, here we say 250. So in this question we ask, which is correct? The correct answer is C, 250. Oh, let's have a break. What's missing? Type the missing number. I have dollars. Hint: 2,560,321. Remember, left to right when reading big numbers. So, it's billions, millions, thousands, hundreds. So in this question we asked, type the missing number. The correct answer is 2,560,321. Okay. Which is correct? How do we say this date? A. April 2. B. April 2nd. C. April 2 o'clock. D. April number 2. Don't say the number only for dates. Don't forget the ordinal numbers. First, second, third, and so on. So in this question we asked, how do we say this date? The correct answer is B, April 2nd. I knew it. I knew it! What comes next? What comes next? 30, 40, 50. A. 60. B, 16. C, 6. T. D, 60. Counting by tens? Let's do this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. That's it. So in this question we asked, what comes next? The correct answer is A, 60. 60? Wait, what? Which word fits best? Which word fits best? 50 people came to the party. A, around. B, exactly. C, between. D, only. How many? Around. When we don't know the exact number, we say around, about, roughly. So in this question we asked, which word fits best? 50 people came to the party. The correct answer is A, around. Where's my coffee? Hey, where's my coffee? How do we say this time? How do we say this? A, 5 and 30. B, 5.30. C, 5:30. D, 5.30. Don't say point or dot for time. This isn't math or websites. So in this question we asked, how do we say this? The correct answer is C, 5:30. Which is correct? How do we say this? A, 9966. B, 9966. C, 9966. D, 996. Don't repeat the same number. In phone numbers, use double when a number is repeated. So in this question we asked, how do we say this? The correct answer is C, 9966. Not bad. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.